Hi everyone, I am Oz from Masiwa group. Today I will show you an apartment with 3 bedrooms, duplex apartment. As you see, when you enter the apartment, there's a big hallway. There will be the cabinets. And here, there's a common bathroom. Shower box will be applied. Here is your kitchen. It's very nice quality, and as you see, there's a balcony here. And the best thing about this apartment is this: you have a very nice sea view from the balcony and from your living room. I will show you now. Here is your living room. As you see, it's a very nice big living room. You have a sea view, very amazing panoramical sea view from your seat in the living room. As I told you before, this project is located in Başiskele, and it will be completed at the end of the August 2022. And here, when you get downstairs, there's a common use bathroom again. There's a storage place. Here is another room, and there's another balcony. Let's get outside. Here there's a wide balcony, and here also you can have a sea view. Let's get inside. This is the master bedroom and master bath. As you see, it's very big. And here is your little master bedroom. Even in your master bedroom you have sea view. Almost all the rooms has a view, some of them from balcony. And here is another room. As you see, rooms are big, and this project is very nice. There is every social facilities in this project inside the complex: swimming pool, gym, fitness salon, etc. And this amazing sea view. Thanks for watching. Please call for more details. Have a nice day.